Have you ever gotten a credit alert for an account that you never opened? Not all credit monitoring services are created equal. What you need is a service that's going to keep a close eye on your credit and alert you to suspicious activity in real time. That way you can catch potential fraud before it becomes a large issue. There are three major credit reporting bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. But here's the catch. Lenders can check with any one of those three when reviewing an application, and all three of them may have different information about you. While you're legally entitled to receive one free credit report from each of these three entities at annualcreditreport.com, this is a snapshot. It's not the ongoing protection that you need. Credit monitoring isn't something that you only do when you're preparing to make a large financial decision like buying a home. It can actually be an important step to stop identity theft in its tracks. After testing all of the major credit monitoring services over the last year, I can confidently recommend Aura as the best credit monitoring solution for most people. Now, let me tell you why. The most crucial difference is Aura's real-time monitoring of credit inquiries. While most other services only check for new inquiries periodically, Aura gives you a real-time alert whenever there's a credit check across any of the three major bureaus. They also track your Vantage score from each of the three bureaus, although these scores only update in accordance with the bureau's regular reporting cycles. So here's a real example from one of our team members, Emily. She was getting internet installed at her house, and the tech was running the credit check while processing the paperwork. And she received a notification from Aura about the credit check while the tech was still there. Not a day later, not a week later, not a month later.
Thank God.
But almost immediate protection. If you're looking to improve your credit, Aura doesn't just show you your scores, it can also teach you how to raise it. So you may notice something like your credit utilization is too high. What that essentially means is that you are using too much of your available credit. Pay down on some of those existing balances and you will see your credit utilization score start to improve. So here's an example from my own personal account, which kind of displays some of the weirdness that can come with credit reporting. Now, as you can see, it shows that I have either too few or too many accounts with delinquencies. Which one is it? Well, don't blame Aura for not knowing, blame the credit bureaus. Honestly, a lot of factors contributing to how credit is reported can be really counterintuitive and confusing. Like, if you close a line of credit by paying off a loan, don't be surprised if your credit score actually drops. In any case, use Aura to continue to monitor that credit and then use it as a sort of financial coach if you're trying to optimize your finances or you're trying to repair bad credit. The last thing I want to do is, if you see this little lock icon here, we're just going to go ahead and click that because that is going to lock our credit files at Experian. Now, a lock is not quite the same as a freeze for reasons that I won't go into in this video, but it is a great first step in getting a more proactive stance in the fight against identity theft. For the other two bureaus, you'll need to set up a lock or freeze directly with them. Now, as I mentioned before, strong credit monitoring isn't just about your scores. It's also a great first step in protecting your identity. When someone steals your identity, the most profitable move for them out of the gate is to open a new account in your name. Strong credit monitoring acts as an early warning system, alerting you whenever someone tries to use your identity. Since the May 12, 2017 Equifax breach that exposed over 147 million Americans' data, including mine, thank you Equifax, I have realized just how important this is. And while your credit is probably the most important thing that you should be monitoring, it is far from the only thing. I mean, just think about it. There are plenty more pieces to who you are than just your credit. Now, I mean, that's a big part of it, but you know, your social security number, your mother's maiden name, all of these pieces of information that make up the puzzle of you and your digital identity, as it were. And as I make this video, I can tell you with certainty, right now at this moment, your information, my information, and the information of millions of other people is being bought and sold on the dark web. Aura helps you monitor this by connecting real-time credit monitoring from all three of the major bureaus, dark web monitoring that can alert you when your information is potentially being traded by criminals, home title monitoring to prevent property fraud, which, while rare, can be potentially financially catastrophic, leaving your largest asset at risk, social security number monitoring, which can detect unauthorized use before it escalates, and bank account monitoring, which can flag suspicious transactions before your account accounts get drained. Aura's recovery services are particularly valuable. If your identity does manage to get stolen despite these protections, Aura will assign a case manager to you with the legal authority to submit paperwork on your behalf, potentially saving you from the 200+ hours that on average it takes a victim of identity theft to reclaim their identity. You may be asking, what about Credit Karma and other free services? Well, what most people don't realize about free services like Credit Karma is that they are advertiser-funded platforms aimed at primarily selling you financial products. While they do offer some monitoring capabilities, they come with significant limitations. Most free services typically focus on basic credit report monitoring without the comprehensive identity theft protection suite that something like Aura provides. Without things like dark web monitoring, financial institution monitoring, or home title monitoring, you're only getting a small piece of the picture, potentially missing critical threats to your financial security. Think of it this way: a free service might tell you about a potential threat after it already happens, while Aura works to catch that threat in real time. Another reason why I recommend Aura for credit monitoring is because it pulls from all 3 of the major credit bureaus on all of the plans that it offers, not just their top tier, highest paid, most expensive plan. Now, there's not just a convenience factor here, it's also very important, because while your car loan might pull from a TransUnion check, when you go to apply for a mortgage, they might pull your Equifax account. And actually, let's take a second to talk about mortgages, because some of you are watching this probably thinking about your FICO score. Now, if you want to get your FICO score, you can get that for free at freecreditreport.com. But remember that that is just one number in a small part of your identity protection puzzle. After thoroughly testing dozens of credit monitoring services, Aura offers the best balance of comprehensive coverage, user-friendly features, and reasonable price. Whether you're concerned about identity theft, or you're preparing for a large purchase, or you're just interested in improving your credit, Aura has all of the tools and protections that you need. Now, don't forget, click the link in the description below to save even more money on Aura while you get protected. That is all we have for now. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.